Shall I sack them or?
Should we sack him?
There's Mike Peters. That's the question.
So with an alarm shirt on over there, mate.
I know. There's a couple of them. How is Mike doing, James? By the way,
He's doing alright.
he's doing all right. That's good news. But that's why we're here today. Of course, we were supposed to be on tour, and we had nothing else to do because the tour got cancelled, unfortunately. But everyone's doing good. So, what's the second song we're going to do? Oh, another cello song, right?
Yeah.
Of course. So it's a Nick Drake song called The Cello. Are we going to do it in the Cure one then?
Yeah.
Okay. So Kate's on this song on the album too. It sounded really, really good without the cello, but when she added the cello, we were like, oh my god. I built my mansion from that one performance. So this is a Cure song, which I'll probably get the lyrics from. But if I do, just shoot me in the testicles. You're close enough to punch me, actually, to shoot. Here's a song called In Between Days. Yesterday, I got sour. I felt like I could die. Yesterday, I got sour. It made me want to cry. Go on, just walk away. Go on, your choice is made. Go on, away from here. Go on. And I know I was wrong when I said it was you, that it couldn't be me, 'cause I hurt in between without you. Yesterday, I got so scared, it made me. Yesterday, inside, it froze me deep in. I'll get it right by the next performance.